Hello friends, welcome to a tootscorner.com video. Let's see how to make a diet plan for weight loss. Creating a diet plan for weight loss involves more than simply cutting calories. It's about making sustainable, healthy change to your eating habits. A well-balanced diet can help you lose fat efficiently while maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Here's how to create a diet plan that supports weight loss goals. First, set clear goals. Before starting, it's essential to define your weight loss goals. How much weight do you want to lose and in what time frame? Setting realistic, specific goals helps you stay focused and track your progress. Remember, gradual weight loss of about 0.5 to 1% per week is safe and sustainable. Second, calculate your calorie need. Weight loss occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body burns. To determine how many calories you need, calculate your total daily energy expenditure, which take into account your age, weight, height, and activity level. From there, create a calorie deficit by reducing your intake by 300 to 500 calories per day. Third, focus on nutrient-dense food. When trying to lose weight, it's important to focus on whole nutrient-dense foods. Include lean protein sources, chicken, fish, tofu, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, health fats, avocados, nuts, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. This food will keep you full, help reverse muscle mass, and provide essential vitamins and minerals. Fourth, prioritize protein. Protein is essential for weight loss as it helps preserve muscle mass and keep you feeling full for longer. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. Good sources include lean meats, eggs, legumes, and dairy products. Protein also has a higher thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories to digest it compared to fat and carbohydrates. Fifth, plan balanced meals. Ensure your meals are well balanced, consisting of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This helps stabilize blood sugar levels, prevent cravings, and support overall fat loss. Avoid overly restrictive diet as they can be difficult to maintain long term and may lead to nutrient deficiencies. Diet plan for weight loss should focus on creating sustainable calorie deficit, prioritizing nutrient-dense food, and ensuring balanced meal. By setting clear goals, tracking your progress, and making mindful food choices, you can effectively achieve your weight loss objectives. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.